My name is Rajit. I'm from Sri Lanka and I'm head coach from Lapoint and my village Ahangama. We have like a really nice wave around for Ahangama. I'm going to recommend for you like a 3 different places. Really nice wave coming. Especially I'm going to tell for Caballano, they have a really nice wave. We call a lot of time rock, Caballano rock, because they have like really nice rock far out. And the wave coming hitting first for the rock, and then after the wave coming around and hitting together, then after coming like that cobra wave. And that place very popular for the, especially for the like good surfers, like experienced surfers for that place. And Caballano have like the beach break as well, and really nice for the learning for the level 1s and intermediate people as well. Stick is like behind for the RDS is my shop as well, and that place very good for like intermediate people and experienced people. It's need like level 2 and level 3 people. Third place I'm going to recommend for inside, and they have like one more name, Marshmallow, people call it, but real name we call long time inside. And that place very nice to learning for the like especially like intermediate people and the like experienced people also. And they have like kind of after the December, January coming like a really nice barrel as well for the left side barrel. We have like even more places. We have like around for the Ahangama, like intermediate peoples and beginners and like experienced people. For they have like kind of 7 of the places, and come back to Ahangama, enjoy it.